Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Solaine. Now Solaine is saying that she wants her health to be better, and she's working on that. She was in the hospital on Wednesday, and she's recovering from, the problem that she was having, and she's, stepping forward, trying to make life better for herself. And she also want to let people know that we shouldn't be tearing down each other, because nobody would like another man to tear them down. So help in building up your friends, your family, whoever it is. It could be someone that you see on the street. Help to build them up in some way, because you never know what someone is going through. But just watch Solaine as she grows and grows. And don't forget to like, share, and comment, and also keep her in your prayers as she goes through her ordeal.
That who are you, Solaine, who this, who that. Nobody can use me, brother. Nobody can. And the people who use me, that's it. That's all about it. That's it. You understand? You understand? Virgin, me the going on, me did in the hospital, me did sick. You understand? I feel so good, so I went to the hospital on Wednesday. So me easier, guys. Me easier. Taking a rough life easy. You understand? Me is here, man. I love you too. Love you too. I mean, I like the rumors. I mean, I like what some people are say. You understand? If you try to build up on another, you push somebody down when you see them go up the ladder. You understand? You just tear me down, tear me down, tear me down. I mean, I like that, virgin. I don't like that. You understand? No, you see, somebody I try. You understand? You understand? So no, brethren, no tear down one another. No do that. You understand? That you only want somebody to tear you down and treat you like that. You understand? Continue to pray for me. That's all you can do. Pray for me. You understand? Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. When you don't see me, pray for me. You understand? I'm here, guys. I'm here. I'm here, guys. I'm here. What you want us to talk about tonight, guys? I'm here, guys. All me I talk about now is about to get my health up. You understand? Continue to take my medication. You understand? You understand what I go on. Because I don't live on social media, you know. I just do my life, then I come off. You understand? So guys, all who talk, let them go and talk. You understand? They can't talk. You understand? One day they must stop talk. You understand? A talking season today, this time. Around talking season, so let them talk with them talk. Them a talk. All them a talk, me no matter them a talk. You understand? God a God. You understand? Me alone in all the dark room. Now make nobody keep me down. You understand? Me alone in all the dark room. Me no have nobody to talk to. Just me, myself, and I, and my shadow. Love. You understand? When me did broke me, everybody, alright, start get some money now, a beer fight. What could that cost all of this? Eh? What could that cost all of this? Hey guys, what could that really cost all of this? Share the live, guys. I'm here. Share the live. Tell somebody Solaine is on the live. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Love you, guys. Love you. Love you, love you, love you. Just me, myself, and my shadow. There, me guys. Me there. Listen, me just show my face. You understand? You understand? Probably you're not out to warm to Solaine. Me there, man. There, me guys. Me not drink no alcohol. Why you not say me I drink alcohol? When you see me I drink alcohol, you want look at time when you see me, I want to be there having the cup, I'll give the man the cup. That's to be a drink, be a this, be a that. But you don't know buy it. Simple. When I ask you for $1. You understand? People do what they have to do. You understand? You do what you have to do, and me do what me have to do. God. Me do what me have to do, and you do what you have to do. Share the life, guys. Share the life. Get me alone in the dark room. I have nobody to talk to. Just me, myself, and I and my shadow. There, me guys, me there. What you want to talk about today? Some people they say them is with you. Me don't know, mouth can't change. Some people say them is with you. And one mistake you make, remember, then write you off and down you like a gun. You understand? Just tear you down. But me I keep strong. Me I keep strong. No matter what you say, no matter what you do. You understand? You soon get more surprises than more surprise. Where that concern, soon get some surprises. I'm here, guys. Share the live. Share the live, guys. Share the live. I'm here, guys. I'm here. You know, my grandson is easy, you know. When him ready for talk me. You understand, guys? But him is my strength. When I want somebody to talk to, just go talk to my grandson. Yeah, he must strive, man. He must come up, man. My grandson. Yeah, he's there. He's there. You understand? Coming up strong. You can see God's hand is on him. You understand? Share the live, guys. Share the live. Share the live. I'm here, guys. I'm here. Share the live, guys. I'm here, guys. Share the live. So ladies on her live. Joy is okay. You don't know really talk much. But he is here. Me not even can call my grandson there. My baby I call it to the laugh till the week. Oh Jesus, him name. But they hear me, guys. Me not stay long with you tonight. You understand? But I'm here.